Hi, Todd from Kurloo here. In this video I'm going to provide an overview of the Site Overview page, its functions and the information it provides. The Site Overview page is designed to provide users with just that, an overview of the Kurloo devices on their project site. Most of the features are based around the map. Here you can see the location of your Kurloo sensors on site. The background aerial image can sometimes be old, so we offer the option to overlay your imagery. The transparency of that image can be controlled by this slider. Just like Google Maps, you can use your mouse scroll wheel or the buttons at the bottom right to zoom. Pan around the map by clicking and holding your mouse. The button on the top right will make the map full screen. Hover your mouse over the sensor to see its name. Clicking the icon will bring up more information about the sensor. You can then click the sensor name to go directly to the sensor's detail page. And if an alert has been triggered, you will see that and be able to click to take you through to the alerts page. Different information about the sensor can be displayed by selecting from this drop-down box. There is a legend at the bottom left for each section of information. The next drop-down box lets you choose which sensors are displayed. You can create custom sensor groups in the sensors page that can be displayed here. The next box allows you to set the time period that the information displayed will report on. Moving over to the left-hand side of the screen, you can see the navigation bar. This bar can be collapsed by clicking this button. Clicking the Kurloo logo will take you back to the account management page. Clicking the project box will allow you to change projects. Next is the sensors page, which has all the information about your individual sensors, including displacement graphs and tables. Below that is analysis, where you can view previously created analyses which compare sensors to one another over time. With an admin permission, you can create and edit analysis. Alerts. This allows you to review previously created alerts. Alerts can notify certain users when a sensor's displacement exceeds a certain threshold. This can also be applied to a sensor group. With an admin permission, you can create and edit alerts. Activity log. This is like a project diary that allows users of any permission level to record details surrounding the project. All users of the project can review them at a later date. Reports. Here you can set up and view auto reports in your project, and you can also upload your own PDF files and store them here for other users to view. Settings. This contains information about your project, account, project preferences, and users. All permission levels can view the content of this menu, but only admin can edit the information. Clicking the support button will take you through to the support page that has multiple options for the Kurloo Nest and Kurloo device support.